Hello, this is a tutorial on how to add the riotgames.pem certificate into your Java-Keystore to successfully run the Poro client. So first of all, you want to unzip it. I already did it into this folder here, and we're going to double click on this one, and then we're going to go to the folder assets. You should make sure that there's a file called riotgames.pem in there. We found it, nice. So now we open another Explorer folder. No, we just open Explorer in another window. That's what I meant. Usually Java is installed under the default installation path. This is C. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. This is C. And then program files, because I'm German, this is named Programme. For you it should be program files. Gonna double click on it, we're gonna find Java, and then JRE with something behind it. Double click on that, go into the lib folder, and then find the security folder. And now we should see here a file called kcerts or kcerts, I don't know how to pronounce it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the riotgames.pem certificate over into that. We do that so that the commands later on are easier to execute. After we're done with the commands, you can delete it again, but I will show you that. So now we just copy, whoops. We want to copy this one over. It's gonna need administrator rights. We do it. We allow it to do so. Nice. Now we have riotgames.pem here. Okay. Now we're gonna use PowerShell as an administrator because again we are working in C. Gonna need administrator right if you want to change something. Execute as an administrator. Yes, I want to. Okay. What we're gonna do now? First of all, we want to set our current directory to C. We do this by typing cd \. So it basically the path goes all the way back to C. Nice. Now we want to navigate into this folder right here, into the security folder. As I said, it's under C, program files. Okay, cd, program files. It automatically autocompletes if you press tab. Please note that you need to be very careful with upper and lowercase. So always, if there's an uppercase in your path, type in uppercase, lowercase, type in lowercase. Okay. Then we want to go, so we're now in program files, now we want to go to Java. So we enter jar and then just press tab and it will autocomplete to Java. We do the same thing, JRE, tab, autocompletes to the right thing. Lib, autocompletes, security. Then we press enter because we're done. Now we're in the security folder. Security should be at the last point. Then you did everything right. We're here, nice. Okay. In case you did anything wrong here, it will either throw you an error or set you to another directory. Just type cd \, again, and you try this again. Everything fine. Don't worry. Okay. Now we're gonna call the key tool. This is in an This is somewhere bit else. So I need you to copy this path right here from C to the \, after the JRE thingy. We press Ctrl C and then we enter an AND. These two little things, just like they were above here, and we copy it in here with Ctrl V. Now we're gonna enter bin or just BI and then press tab. And then we enter key tool and then we can just press tab again and it will autocomplete. Okay. Now it's very important you follow exactly the steps as I do. Okay. We want to, I didn't meant to do this. We want to import something, right? So we're gonna tell it by doing import. Well, what do we want to import? We want to import the file riotgames.pem. I will just enter riot, press tab, and it will autocomplete. Nice. I press space and then enter the next parameter. It's keystore. So in what store do we want to edit? Keystore. And then we enter kcerts. This should be enough. I press tab. It will autocomplete. Nice. With what alias do we want to do it? Well, we want to do it with the name riot certificate. Nice. Just let me make it a little bit bigger. And now we're gonna use store pass. So what is the password of your store of your key store, well, it's usually just change it. And now we're gonna press enter. It will say something, hey, this is email address gamestechnology@riotgames, lol game engineering certificate authority, blah blah blah. So you can see it's self-signed, they're the same. This is why it says, hey, it's not really safe. SHA with ARSR, that's just an encrypting algorithm. So yeah, it tells you this is a security risk. We still need to install it. It's not going to be used anywhere else, just to really talk internally with the riotgames client. So you're going to enter a yes. Well, I'm German, so I need to enter ja. And yeah, it works. It got added. And that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to open an issue on GitHub and I will make sure to help you. Yeah, thank you for watching. Oops. Have a nice day.